Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to get that red flag filter trend video on TikTok. So many people are now using this trend to know the red flags, and if you're ready, let's get started. So make sure that you have your TikTok account updated or your TikTok app updated. So let's open it, and then as you can see, there are a lot of videos about this filter, and you can also search for it from the search bar and just start filming yourself. But if you don't want to do that, second option is you can go to your profile page, tap the plus button to start recording, and then tap the effects next to the camera button, and then tap that search icon, and you can write on the search bar for red flag, and we will be able to see there the verified red flag effect. So let's tap and let's start recording. Now first is to change from photo to a video, so it could be 15 seconds, 60 seconds, or 3 minutes, and just tap the start recording, and then your red flags will be shown right away. And if you're done, just tap that check mark on the bottom right, and then you can now add sound if you wish to by tapping on it and choose any commercial sound available on your app. And then once you have selected the sound, tap next, and then you can now post this and share this with your followers on TikTok. It's very easy and trendy to use. If this is helpful, please don't forget to give us a like and subscribe for more updates.